Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Welcome back. Okay, so the title for today is Talking About a Trip. So let me ask you, do you like going on trips? Yes, you do? Okay, me too, by the way. All right. Okay, so let's see you in the learning outcomes. Okay, so learning outcomes are the things you're supposed to know by the end of the session, so let me read them for you. So, by the end of the session, you will be able to, number one, name different ways of transportation and describe how they travel. Two, use past tense verbs to describe past travel experiences. Three, write about their dream vacation or your dream vacation. Okay, good. And yeah, let's see you in the warm-up activity. Okay, so let's answer these simple three questions. Question one, where do you think this is? So yeah, the pyramids. Yes, in Egypt. Good job. Okay. So, second question, have you been to a place like this before? No, you haven't. All right. Question three, would you like to go there and why? Yes? Yeah, you would like to. Okay, can I ask you why? Because you love to know more about the history. Okay, this is amazing actually. Okay, good job. Thank you. So right now I'll just leave you to watch a video for 3 times. And when you come back, we have to answer these questions together. But please, before watching, let me just read the questions for you. Question one, where did Ali go last summer? Two, what activities did he do there? Three, what was his favorite part? Yes, now please go and watch the video for 3 times and I'll wait for you.
Last summer, I went to Turkey with my family.
That sounds amazing. What did you do there?
We visited Istanbul and saw the Blue Mosque. We also took a boat ride on the Bosphorus.
Wow, what was your favorite part?
The food, I loved the kebabs and Turkish ice cream. Last summer, I went to Turkey with my family.
That sounds amazing. What did you do there?
We visited Istanbul and saw the Blue Mosque. We also took a boat ride on the Bosphorus.
Wow, what was your favorite part?
The food, I loved the kebabs and Turkish ice cream. Last summer, I went to Turkey with my family.
That sounds amazing. What did you do there?
We visited Istanbul and saw the Blue Mosque. We also took a boat ride on the Bosphorus.
Wow, what was your favorite part?
The food, I loved the kebabs and Turkish ice cream.
Okay, welcome back. So let's answer them together. Question one, where did Ali go last summer? Yes, exactly. He went to Turkey with his family. All right, question two. What activities did he do there? Yes, he visited Istanbul and saw the Blue Mosque. Good. Well, question three. What was his favorite part? Yes, of course, the food. It was his favorite part. Good job, you're doing amazing. Okay, and now let's see you in the vocabulary part. Well, the first word that we have is destination. So please repeat after me. Destination, destination, destination. Okay, destination means the place you are going to. Like in Arabic, we say al-wijha. Okay? Well, then we have journey, journey, journey. Good job. Then we have vacation, vacation, vacation. Like أجازة أو عطلة, vacation. Tourist, tourist, tourist. And tourist, like سائح, a person from a country who just goes to another country to like explore more and discover about it. Tourist. Souvenir, souvenir, souvenir. Like for example, when you go or visit a different country, so you buy from their gifts for your family, for example, like هدايا, تذكارية. Yes. Then we have sightseeing, sightseeing, sightseeing. Yeah. Okay, sightseeing means when you go to a new country, all right, so you just want to visit the famous places there and know more about them. This is the act of sightseeing, like زيارة أو رؤية المعالم السياحية. Right? Yeah. Then we have itinerary. Itinerary. Yeah, this is, the planned path or route you're going to. الخطة بتاعت الرحلة أو المسيرة نفسها. Okay. Resort, yes, like just as you see here in the picture. We can say like منتجع سياحي or something. Adventure, yes, good job. Landmark. This is the famous place in each country where people like love to see and visit and know more about it, like المعالم السياحية. Experience, yes. Okay, like because for example when you travel a lot you gain experience. لما بنسافر كتير بنكتسب خبرة. So experience means خبرة. Explore, yeah, and explore means to know more about something, this is exploring. Okay, that's so good. And now let's just do our first practice. So simply we have to match the words with the sentences. Okay, a place people visit for fun and relaxation. Yes, destination. Well, 2, a person who travels for fun. Yes, tourist, thank you. A small gift or object from a trip. Yes, souvenir. Well, a famous place to see. Yes, landmark. Well, the plan for a trip. Yes, itinerary. Well, an exciting trip or activity. Adventurous, thank you. Okay, going to see important places. Yes, sightseeing. Well, a trip away from home. Vacation, good job. A list of activities during a trip. Itinerary, well, a place where tourists stay. Yes, resort. To travel and learn about a new place. Yes, explore. The last one, something you remember from a trip. Yes, your experience. Thank you. Good job. Okay, that was really good. And now let's just see you on the phonics part. Okay, so now in the phonics, you will learn more about the shun sound. I mean the T-I-O-N. Okay, so simply it's pronounced as chun. Okay, لا مش chun, shun. Okay, so simply it's pronounced as shun. All right. So for example, words that end in T-I-O-N, we pronounce them as shin. Like for example, vacation, destination, attraction, just shin. All right. Yes. Okay, please repeat. Vacation, destination, attraction. Yes, good job. You're doing amazing. Okay, and now let's jump into the reading part. Well, simply here we have a small text we will read together and then we'll answer a couple of questions. So yeah, last winter, Layla and her family went on a trip to the mountains. They traveled by car and stayed in a small wooden cabin. Every morning, they hiked through the snowy hills. Layla loved making snowmen and drinking hot chocolate. One day, they went to a famous landmark, a tall frozen waterfall. It was the most beautiful thing she had ever seen. Okay, perfect. So let's answer the questions. Well, so question 1, where did Layla's family go on their trip? Yes, they went on a trip to the mountains. Good job. Question 2, what activities did they do in the mountains? Yes, hiking and making snowmen. Perfect. Okay. What was Layla's favorite part of the trip? Yes, making snowmen and drinking hot chocolate. Thank you, thank you. You're doing great. Okay, now let's see you in the grammar part. Okay, so simply in the grammar, we will learn how can you use the past tense. Okay, the rule is very easy. So to talk about past trips, and by past I mean something happened before already, like it's completed the action, you have to use the simple past tense. For example, last summer I went to Spain, or we stayed in a hotel, or I visited a famous museum. So simply because we're speaking about something started and ended already in the past, we will use the simple past tense, okay? Just the subject, I, she, he, whatever, and then the verb, if it was regular, we simply add D or ED, like stayed, visited, right? Okay, but if it was irregular, what does it mean? Simply irregular means that the whole form of the word change, okay? So for example, go, it will be went. See, saw, and by the way, it's saw, okay? Buy, bought. Eat, ate, the word itself changed. That's why it's irregular, okay? Thank you, thank you. And now let's have our second practice. Okay, so simply you just have to choose the correct answer. So number one, last summer, huh? Yes, we went to Italy. Okay. Question two, we in a big hotel. We stayed, yes. Three, I a beautiful souvenir. Yes, I bought. Good job. For my family, the Eiffel Tower. Saw the Eiffel Tower. Good job. Five, we delicious seafood by the beach. Yes, we ate. Okay, question six, I many pictures of the mountains. Yes, I took. Take in the present, took in the past. My friends, a great time at the amusement park. Had, yes, because have in the present, had in the past. Good job. Okay, that is so good. And now I will see you in the speaking part. Okay, so right now I just need you to speak about or tell me about your travel story, okay? So simply you have to answer these following questions while telling me the story. Where did you go? Who did you go with, like your family, your friends, okay? What did you do there? And what was your favorite part, okay? Yes, so for example, last summer I went to Italy with my friends and so on. Good job. So yeah, let me just ask you, what did you learn today? Okay, that's awesome. And yeah, this actually marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next session, inshallah. And don't forget your homework. Bye.